Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Listen close. YouTube Shorts is where the money is right now, okay? I want you to pay attention in this video here because I'm going to show you step by step how you can use YouTube Shorts. That's an article that came out May 11 here, Variety, and said that YouTube is going to dole out $100 million to creator on YouTube Shorts using YouTube. Now, guess what? I thought this was not true, right? So I had to test it for myself. So as you can see here, it is approximately July 22nd right here, right? And check it out. If you look at my income on YouTube, it jumped from 25,000, you see there in June, to 30,000. I made about $5,000. But listen up, the great thing about this, you don't even need any type of monetization on YouTube, okay? So you can make $1,000 this month, 5,000, 10,000. It's really up to you. And the great thing about this as well, you don't have to record any videos, okay, at all. So first step is to basically go to youtube.com. As you can see here, youtube.com. And all I want you to do is type in funny dogs here, okay? Funny dogs. Now understand, we're gonna do YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is nothing but an extension of TikTok, right? It's crazy, and they're killing it right now. And the great thing about a lot of people who are brand new on the internet, you can utilize this because it's so new and make a ton of money online on YouTube, okay? You don't have to record any videos. No one has to see your pretty face, right? You can just do this in the hubble of your home, okay? So if I type in funny dogs here, you'll see all these different videos, 30 million views. Now it's important, right? Rule number one is to find a viral video. You see this? See these videos here? These are viral videos here, okay? Funny dogs. People like pets. Smash the like button if you like pets, okay? Let me go back here. Can you guys still hear me and see me? Okay? Now, check it out. So what you want to do is you want to click on the filter option here. It's important, okay? Pay attention, please. I don't want you to miss this. And click on the button or the words that say Creative Commons, okay? And all that does is, that means everybody that's in this short here, basically you can use their videos. Yeah, you can use these videos basically and repost them for yourself and make money. Okay, that's what it means. It gives you the authority and the copyright authority to take these videos. That's what people are saying when they select Creative Commons. Does that make sense? How many of you can smell the money right now? All right, now, check it out. So the next step is, like, this video is cool, right? So I'm gonna take it 6.8 million. Make sure you take a video that has at least over 1 million views, okay? So you wanna click on that, paste this, and you wanna copy this, okay? Copy that URL there. Are you guys with me, okay? Then what you wanna do is go to google.com, all right? Very simple. Remember, watch first, okay? Don't move too fast, just watch it first. Make sense? Oh. Okay, I'm trying to get situated here. So you go here and you just type in, because you need to download it, okay? So YouTube download, okay? Just type in YouTube video download here, and you're gonna have many ways to basically download the videos. Just type in YouTube video here. Guys with me? I mean, I made $5,000. It was just easy from the comfort of my home. It was fun to do that. Now check it out here, okay? Scroll down here, you see this right here? Click on that. And all you do is this, you just copy and paste it. All you're doing is you're gonna download that video to your computer, to your laptop, whatever, right? Hit the convert button here. Click on get link. Download here, okay? Smash the like button if you guys are still here, okay? I can't see you, but I can smell you. See, and the video's there, look at that, boom. Now the video's on my computer here. But let me show you something. Let me show you how we get paid here, right? Because you may be thinking, well, how do I get paid? Just pay attention. Don't move too fast, pay close attention. Most people never make money because they don't pay attention, okay? So check it out. So what you do is, and this is what everybody's doing actually. So you go back here and you wanna go to a site by the name of canva.com, okay? Screenshot that, canva.com. And guys, always leave a comment below if you have any questions here. I'm here, and typically I do look in the comments below, okay? Is that cool? All right, so you go here, you click on the word video. How easy is that? Video, right? Because you're gonna create a video, right? And this is free, by the way. It's free. I'm not asking you to spend any money. Just smash the like button. Show me some love. Smash the like button, baby. Come on, do it for the YouTube algorithm. Do it for Black Lives Matter. Jesus. Look, click on YouTube video right here. And then once you do that, all you need to do is you're gonna put the video right here that you just downloaded, right? Does that make sense? You're gonna put the video here that you just downloaded. Then you go here to uploads here, right? Click on upload media. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're with me. I just wanna make sure I'm moving slow enough that you get this, all right? So you can start making money, so you can leave that piss poor job and drop out of school right now, okay? So look, click on device here. Then there's the video right there. See, pops up right here. You click, drag and drop. It's there, see that? See your cat video? I mean your dog video, it's right there. Are you guys with me so far, okay? And if you want me to save this video, just smash the like button. Let me know in the comments below. Say, Wesley, more videos like this. If you love me, just say Wesley Virgin. I love me some Wesley Virgin. All right, now with this video, now listen, I know you're thinking, well, how do you get paid? How do you get paid? Pay attention, okay? Big head, pay attention. You're moving too fast, that's why you're not making money, okay? So we're gonna resize this for a second, okay? There we go. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put some text here. So we're gonna click on text, okay? And we can use any day. You wanna slay, player one. Let's do this, player one here. You're gonna drag that over here and you're gonna resize that. And listen, this is how people make money on Autopilot. It's nothing like, listen, online, when you wanna make money, you have to make sure that anything that you do, you're gonna get paid for the rest of your life. See, unlike your job, when you work one time, you get paid one time. That's stupid, that's silly in my opinion. And I used to be a stupid, silly person as well, because I had a job. But the great thing about the internet, if you do something one time, it'll pay you over and over again, okay? That's how we're able to do a couple of $1 million a month, all right? Look here, all you do is type this. I'm telling you exactly what to do for free. Link in the description. This is exactly what I did to make an extra $5,000 last month. This month, I'm gonna do $50,000 just for the fun of it. Because I want a brand new McLaren, honestly. I want a new car. Look at that, link in the description, all right? And to make it very easy, because I know you like easy, all right? What we're gonna do here, let me see. Copy, paste, see that? Just copy and paste that, just easy, simple, right? And we drag that down, okay? That's important. Now listen, that's important. You have to add a link in the description on the little video here that we're creating on YouTube Shorts that we're getting ready to move over to YouTube. Does that make sense? Now understand this, you did not create a video, you just downloaded somebody else's video that gave you permission to do that, okay? And you have to put a link in the description because that's how you get paid, period. If you don't want to get paid, don't put that, okay? Smash the like button if you're still with me. Smash the like button if you want to hear me say, let's go! You'll be excited when you're getting ready to make some money here, okay? So look at it. That's pretty much done. So hit the download button. Boom, bada bing, boom, boom. Bing, 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 right? That's gonna download to my computer. So we're gonna go back to YouTube here, okay? Go back to YouTube. Now my channel is already set up here. So basically you have to create a YouTube channel. Listen, like I said before, you don't need to record videos. You don't need to talk on a mic, okay? No one's need to see your big old head because some of you got some big old foreheads and we don't want to see that. I'm just kidding. I love you. But listen, what you do is when you start a brand new YouTube channel, all you need is a Google account. All you want to do is go to the top here and click on the word create, okay? Upload videos here, okay? Now let's check and see if our video has just downloaded here. Okay, we're going to check over here. Give me a second. Okay. It's still downloading, okay? So that's going to take a little while. And all you do is this, okay? This is how simple it is, right? I'm going to go back here and you just upload the video. So I'm going to, look, I'm going to simulate and act like this is the video that is done. Right now, it's going to take about 5 minutes to do that. So I'm not going to wait 5 minutes, obviously. So what I'm going to do this, I'm going to take that video. This is what you'll do. You'll take the final video that you just saved to your laptop, okay? Hit choose here. Now, what you want to do is you got to title the video. Now, understand that this is very important. And this is the reason why most people never make money on this step here, especially with YouTube Shorts here, okay? You have to make sure that the title is something that's compelling. Does that make sense? It has to be compelling. I mean, people have to want to watch it, okay? Now, since I love you so much, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. Look, go back to youtube.com, like this, okay? Type in funny dogs. Are you guys with me? Okay? Funny dogs, videos. And look, okay, so if that's already getting 30 million views, so what do? Funny dog videos 2020. So what I would do, I would put funny dog videos 2021, right? Or crazy funny dog videos. Does that make sense? That's all you need to do, right? So look, funny dog videos 2021. Or I can put crazy, right? And now this is the important part. You got to make sure you put shorts here. If you don't do that, you won't get paid. You won't make money at all, okay? Shorts here. Does that make sense? Shorts. Now, I know what your question is. Okay, Wesley, I got it. But listen, what do I do now? Like, how do I get paid? Since YouTube is not going to monetize me, how do I get paid? Because listen, when you upload this video, you will get you're going to get views. Now, you may ask, well, Wesley, what do I put in the description? What do I put in the tags? Easy. Listen, all you need to do, all the tags that are in this video, you want to put in yours, okay? You go to a site by the name of vidiq.com. Okay, I'm not going to go through that, but I'm going to type it in. vidiq.com, and it's free, okay? This is what all great YouTubers use. Smash the like button if you didn't know about this. Just get this, okay? If you want to get YouTube to be on fire for your videos, just download that. And that gives you the option to basically copy the tags that video had, and you need to add it here. Now listen, in the description, this is where you get paid. This is what I want you to do now. I want you to go over to clickbank.com. Go to clickbank.com. Go ahead and screenshot that, like it, share it, do whatever you got to do, okay? Clickbank.com. And all you need to do is go to marketplace, because what you're going to do is you're going to let me log back in. Give me a second. Hold on. Somebody's getting ready to make some money here. I can feel it. You're going to make some money online right now using these YouTube shorts here. It's crazy, right? So what you want to do is you want to scroll down here. Pay attention, okay? Scroll down to home and garden. Click on animal care pets. Why? Well, because we're doing a video about dogs, right? And you remember we added the text link in the description, right? So what we want to do is we're going to get an affiliate link that these people are going to pay me, because that video is going to get a bunch of views here, and people that look at dogs, right, and like dogs, they may have a dog, well, they're going to click on your affiliate link to promote it, right? So you click on the word promote, and you're going to get what is called a hop link. You see that? You take that hop link, copy that. Are you with me, guys? Smash the like button. Do something. Scream. I don't know. I can't hear you guys. Okay? And you want to go back here, and you're going to basically put that link here. But let me show you something else. Here, you're going to go to a site called bit.ly.com. Because that link that I just did, it might be too long here. Okay? Go to bit.ly.com. You see that? Take a screenshot. I'll pause it. Remember, you should be just watching it right now. If this is your second time, do it with me, okay? And watch it a few times, because you may have missed something, so watch it again. It's important, and that's what successful people do. We watch things over and over again until we get it. It's shortened like that. You copy that. Now, that link there, that's what you're going to put here, right? Right here. And what you do is this. You just don't put the link alone, because people say, well, what is that? You just put brain training for dogs. Right? Train your dog fast. Look, because remember here, we put link in the description when we added that video here, right? Link in the description. So the thing is, when people look at your content here, they're going to go to the description. So what we do is, see that right there? Wait. Are you guys with me so far? Okay, so we're going to type in brain. Train your dog fast. Train your dog to do anything fast. You see that right there? So check it out now. I know you guys are loving me right now. Smash the like button. Show me some love, okay? Show me some love. I love you, but show me some love, okay? Look, you see there? The title of the YouTube short is going to be crazy. I did this. I got over 27 million views, and I'll show you guys on another video how I did that. Look at that. Crazy funny dog videos, 2021. Shorts. Train your dog to do anything. This is your affiliate link. So what happens is when people watch it, obviously they're going to see the link in the description. Remember what we did here? link in the description. People are going to go to the description. Millions of people, by the way. And you just make money on Autopilot, okay? Does that make sense? You just start making money over and over again, okay? Over and over and over again. How many of you can do this? How many of you can do this right now? That's the easy way to make money. Now listen, if you want me to teach you how to make $10,000 per month, guaranteed 45 days, if you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to work with me, if you're going to leave your job in the next 30 days, it's a link in my description in this video, right? Under the video below. Click it. Get involved. If you're not, then just keep being who you are right now. But listen, this is how you make money online. I will have another video for you tomorrow. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.